The journal of our food begins here, in the heart of nature's bounty. Each drop of dew is a testament to the freshness we strive to preserve. Advanced technology works in harmony with the land to cultivate the finest ingredients.
The integration of advanced machinery ensures peak efficiency in the harvesting process.
Looking good today.
Each harvest is a careful process, ensuring the quality starts from the very root.
Placing the carefully selected produce into crates for transport.
Let's get these loaded.
The first step of the journey is complete, preparing for transport to the processing facility. A new chapter begins as the fresh produce travels towards innovation and precision.
The inherent quality and freshness of nature's harvest remain paramount. Upon arrival, the journey into cleanliness begins.
Everything seems to be flowing well.
High-pressure water jets remove any surface impurities, ensuring a pristine base.
A gentle tumble ensures every surface is reached, preserving the product's integrity.
Hygiene is paramount, setting the stage for the meticulous processes ahead.
After thorough washing, the produce is ready for its transformation. Next, the sorting.
Sophisticated optical sensors meticulously identify and grade each piece.
Any item not meeting quality standards is seamlessly separated.
The automated washing station ensures every carrot meets the highest standards of cleanliness before moving to the next stage.
Perfect. Each piece is now impeccably clean, ready for its next roll.
Looks like a good batch.
The residual moisture highlights the product's vibrant, untouched quality.
This marks the end of the cleaning phase, preparing for the intricate stages of processing.
The washing station utilizes powerful, contained water sprayers to clean the products thoroughly.
On to the next step.
The machinery itself is a testament to the high standards of hygiene maintained throughout the facility. Every stage is designed for maximum purity. With the initial preparation complete, the produce moves on, ready to be transformed with precision and care. Here, raw potential is shaped by the power of precision engineering.
The first transformation is swift. A high-speed peeler removes the outer layer with minimal waste.
Every movement is calculated to preserve the core of the product. Human expertise ensures every machine is perfectly calibrated for the task at hand.
The result: perfect uniformity, slice after slice, essential for consistent quality.
The next critical step is blanching, a precisely timed process to preserve color, texture, and nutritional value.
Here, the carrots undergo blanching,
A precise burst of high-temperature steam locks in color and nutrients before the freezing process.
Constant monitoring by experienced personnel is key. Every second and every degree is critical. Automated systems maintain the perfect conditions, ensuring consistency across thousands of pounds of produce. As the cooking cycle completes, the machinery ensures precise temperature control.
Once the process is complete, the product emerges, its natural qualities locked in.
The result is a product that is not only prepared, but perfected.
Simultaneously, the line demonstrates its versatility, preparing different types of produce with equal precision.
Specialized machinery handles each product's unique requirements, from coring to slicing, all in one seamless operation.
The entire line operates as a single, cohesive organism, a marvel of modern manufacturing efficiency.
Anya ensures the seamless transition between the apple processing and the specialized carrot line, optimizing throughput across the facility.
Decades of experience ensure that even with advanced automation, the human touch of oversight is never lost.
This is where nature's perfection meets mechanical precision.
Here we see the freshly cut apple wedges moving efficiently along the gleaming conveyor.
Heat and steam have locked in the freshness, preparing the produce for its final stages.
The assembly line maintains peak efficiency.
Flow looks stable. Good work.
Here, advanced robotics integrate the different production lines, a seamless fusion of technology and process.
The transformation is complete. Now, every single piece will face the rigors of quality control.
Efficiency is not just about speed. It's about a flawless, uninterrupted flow from one process to the next.
This level of uniformity is the hallmark of a system where every variable is controlled. This highly organized processing line exemplifies modern efficiency.
Excellent run, excellent run.
A symphony of technology and human oversight, resulting in a product ready for its final validation.
The same principles of precision apply across a vast range of products, each handled by custom-engineered machinery.
Time to check the output.
The apples and carrots are gently misted with purified water, ensuring peak freshness and maintaining our high hygiene standards.
After transformation comes validation. In the quality control area, every detail is scrutinized to guarantee perfection.
Both automated systems and human expertise work in tandem. Random samples are selected for detailed manual inspection.
Simultaneously, every single piece undergoes automated analysis. Digital scanners measure for precise color.
Data is analyzed in real time, ensuring that any deviation from the standard is instantly detected. This data is cross-referenced with mobile inspection units, creating a comprehensive quality profile for every batch. The physical inspection corroborates the automated data, a crucial step in a multi-layered assurance process. Nothing is left to chance. Every product is subject to the same uncompromising standards.
Here in the quality control area, Advanced laser technologies the texture and color, guaranteeing a flaw. The commitment to excellence is absolute. Even the slightest imperfection is identified and removed from the line.
Did you see this flag?
System caught it. Blemish, 0.01 millimeter outside of tolerance.
Consistency is the ultimate goal. Every action, every check, and every piece of data serves to maintain an unwavering standard of quality.
All metrics are green. With quality confirmed at every level, the product is now cleared for the final step of its journey: packaging.
In the quality control area, efficiency is paramount. Anya ensures every unit meets the rigorous standards before deployment.
Using advanced laser scanning technology, we ensure every apple wedge and carrot slice meets our stringent quality standards.
The journey's final stage begins. The process begins with the preparation of the packaging itself, each bag perfectly positioned to receive the product. High-speed digital scales ensure every single package contains the exact weight, a guarantee of consistency for the consumer. The automated packaging line ensures that every bag receives the precise amount of freshly cut carrots before being swiftly moved to the sealing station.
A hermetic seal is applied, locking in freshness and protecting the product from the outside environment.
The synchronized rhythm of the packaging line highlights the efficiency of our operations. Each bag is sealed and
continuous oversight ensures the automated process runs without interruption, maintaining the relentless pace of production. The next phase is secondary packaging, preparing the products for bulk shipment. In the packaging area, automated machines like this robotic arm ensure efficiency.
Robotic packers arrange the products with a precision that ensures stability for transport and minimizes wasted space.
Efficiency is paramount here. As the robotic arm completes its cycle, the full box advances.
Even in a fully automated environment, key checkpoints are supervised by experienced personnel, ensuring the integrity of the secondary packaging.
A tamper-evident seal provides the final layer of security, guaranteeing the product reaches its destination untouched. Ready for distribution, each box represents thousands of individual data points, checks, and processes, all executed flawlessly.
Here, speed and precision are paramount, as thousands of packages are prepared for shipment every hour.
The factory's synchronized systems ensure a smooth, uninterrupted flow, maximizing output while maintaining the highest quality standards.
Every package is marked with a unique code, ensuring full traceability from the factory all the way to the consumer's hands.
Here at the end of the line, Ben performs a critical spot check, ensuring every seal is perfect before shipment.
Facility's capabilities extend to a wide variety of packaging formats, each one tailored to protect and preserve the specific product within. This state-of-the-art packaging system handles the delicate slices with flawless efficiency, ensuring every...
From resealable bags to protective wrappers, each format is chosen to maximize freshness and convenience.
Another successful run.
Packaged, protected, and accounted for. The products are now ready for the final leg of their journey, distribution.
The final phase of the journey begins in the distribution hub, a nerve center of logistical precision.
Freeze. With the final layer secured, the robotic arm completes its cycle. Awaiting transport, the shipment is swift. Thousands of pounds of finished product, handled with care and precision, ready to be integrated into the global supply chain.
A sophisticated warehouse management system, overseen by experienced logisticians, directs every pallet to...
This massive distribution center operates with clockwork precision. As the forklift carries its...
Every pallet is scanned, its contents and destination verified against the shipping manifest, ensuring perfect accuracy in every order. Logistical efficiency in action. The coordinated movement of the forklift ensures rapid turnover, moving products from warehouse to truck seamlessly.
Final visual confirmation ensures that the right products are on the right truck every single time.
Once loaded, the trailers are secured, ready for transport. This finalizes the chain of custody.
Secured and verified, the next phase of the supply chain begins.
Once loaded, the truck immediately departs, minimizing dwell time and maximizing efficiency across the supply chain.
Timely delivery is the final, critical link in this complex chain, connecting the factory's precision to the needs of the market. From this central point, a network of logistics ensures that the fruits of this labor reach every corner of the country. The final link in the chain is forged on the open road, where a fleet of climate-controlled vehicles ensures that the products
The cycle is continuous, a non-stop operation, ensuring a constant supply to meet demand. From a single seed in a distant field, through a symphony of machinery, to its final destination.
The journey is complete.
From the soil to the shelf, a journey of transformation guided by precision, power, and an unwavering commitment to quality.
Each stage, from harvesting and washing to processing and quality control, is a critical step in
A journey that ends here, in the heart of the home, ready to be enjoyed.
It is a process driven by technology, but guided by the dedication and pride of the people behind it. It is a journey that marries the bounty of nature with the ingenuity of modern technology.
A commitment to purity at every step. Transforming raw materials with unwavering consistency. Validated by technology that sees every detail.
And finally, packaged with care, ready for the journey to you.
Precision, power, and produce. A journey of innovation from the Earth's bounty to the consumer's table.
Our state-of-the-art distribution hubs ensure unparalleled efficiency, moving products with precision.
A testament to the fusion of nature and industry, delivering quality you can trust.
From these expansive facilities, the finished product reaches its final destination, showcasing the pinnacle